want to do it with your right hand, then you would come over the left arm like this and stop it. And then instead of stopping it up here, stop down here. So like in fact, what you can do is you can let the arm come over the top and let the arm hit the other arm to stop it. Not quite, because you want to pull back. Start from a butterfly, pretty little butterfly. Same time butterfly. Same time, same time, same time. Okay, so we're going to just take the right arm, bring it up, do a big extension, come over the top, and then let the hand come down and almost rest on the other arm as you stop it. So I'm mirroring you. Grab your left poi in your hand. Put your left hand out like this. So you're just going to have it in front of you like you're spinning here. Yes. Now, take your right hand, spin it in front of the left hand, and then what I want you to do is come up over the top and stop it, but bring your hand down so that your right forearm lands on your left arm, right. And now slide it forward, and then start it again. In front, in overhand. Yes, start it again in overhand. Okay, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, big circle up over the top, drop stall, and let the forearm land on the forearm. Good, and then slide it forward, and then start it again in overhand. 5, 6, 7, 8, up over the top, stall it, slide it forward, and 5, 6, 7, 8, up over the top, stall it, slide it, start it, 5, 6, 7, 8, over the top, stall it, slide it, start it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now a little faster after you stall it, slide it immediately, and then start it immediately. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. Stall, slide, start. 5, 6, 7, 8. And stall, slide, start. 5, 6, 7, 8. And stall, slide, start. So I'm in, you could just be in a butterfly. You don't even have to be in the thread the needle. And then what you do is you stall it, and then you wait until the right moment so that you can slide it and start it. Okay, so you stall, slide, and start. Stall, slide, and start. And when you slide it, it's just like doing a thread the needle. You're sliding it through the opening, slip it in that slot, baby. Slide it in, and then start it up. The trick to making it look clean and tight is, right now when you're doing your stall, you're coming really wide like this. Instead of shooting it pretty far out over the top of your left arm, try and make it really tight to the left arm. And then when you slide it, it'll look more. When you try and stop it, get it tighter. Or if you stop it here, move the hand over so that it's closer, so that when you slide it out, it looks tighter, you know? So you do it, bring it, even if you come out here, even if you stop it here, slide your hand over to the other one. Yes, then slide it down and out. So you keep your left arm spinning, stop the right one, slide it out, and come back into your thread or your butterfly. So we bring it over, stall it, slide it, start it. Stall it, slide it, start it. Stall it, slide it, start it. Instead of going over the top and doing your stall where you reach, right, instead of reaching forward, keep your hand closer to your body and let your hand that stopped do more of the effort by pushing out instead of the hand that's moving going forward, which is causing that sort of ski jumper effect where you're leaning forward. Keep the hand that's still moving, which in your case is your left hand, keep it a little closer to your body. Right, so you're doing this when you're stalling. You're stalling, you're wide, and like you're reaching out with the hand to create more space between your body and the poi, which makes sense because you know, obviously you don't want to tangle. That one was really good because you stalled near your elbow. And it was back here, but it was also not out here. It was close to the arm. Both of those are desirable. Remember that when you do the stall, the closer you do it to your elbow, the more space you have between your body and the plane of the poi. So if the plane of the poi that is still spinning is crooked, you're less likely to hit it. Back here by the elbow, and then sliding it through and starting it up again. Back here by the elbow, sliding it through and starting it up again. Back here by the elbow, sliding it through and starting it up again. Back here by the elbow, sliding it through and starting it up again. Redder one over the left poi, which is the blue one. This is with a more vertical blue poi, right? There's a lot of space there. Now, if when I stall it, I let my blue poi droop, right, there's more chance of it hitting the other poi or tangling with the other poi. So you want to keep the plane of the spinning poi more vertical to ensure that you don't actually tangle it when you come over the top with the stall. So you can leave this here as long as you want, right? Once you've done your stall, you're fine. You can even straighten out the other one. So even if you have it tilted like this, you can get it straight, and then just like you would with a thread the needle, immediately slip it and then start it. Because you only have one rotation to do that, because if you slip it there